So guys, right now we're going to jump into the base product. So as you can see, this is the whole look. If you haven't watched how I do a demo how to apply the quoted eyeshadow, do watch it. It will be already online. And this look, this base, I've used the Topface Skin Editor Matte Long Lasting Foundation as well the concealer. The foundation though, it was a little bit deeper than my own skin, but I worked it out. Foundation though is absolutely stunning to work with. This is so much more than a high brands we're talking about, and I am so excited to use on my clients, on everyone, because this product here is no negativity about it. Like, I wanted to find a cons, like, I did try to find a cons. There isn't. It is waterproof, long lasting. As soon as I got the foundation, I did test it on the back of my hand, and I washed dishes. I did so many things. This stayed here. It was like that. It didn't see any demarcation where it stood out because I blended it here, but it stood out like, and nothing moved. I say, oh my god, like, waterproof side, this is so much more. Suits all types of skin: oily skin, combo skin, and dry skin. Severe dryness, I would advise not to apply any powder because it dries off to a velvety touch. Even I didn't want to apply powder, but I just set it off just to know about the powder, how it works with the foundation. And the concealer though, the concealer is in between makeup revolution Tarte, if not both. It is a liquid concealer which is full coverage, long lasting, is in thick to sit into your lines, which is absolutely marvelous to work with. And the powder though is so buttery guys, so mild. It left a velvety touch. I used two shades, 201 on my face, but when I applied it on the highlighter zone, I figured out that I need another powder which I will put in the description below. It's not on the market right now in Mauritius, but it will be soon in October, around October, November. And this powder, I applied it just like a highlighter to bring everything together. And I used Topface Skin Editor Matte Long Lasting Powder in another color, in a deep shade, to emphasize the contour side. So this is it. I absolutely love the foundation, concealer, powder, and the blush. They have a huge blush. They have so much color. They have from nude, pink, coral to plum to match every skin tone, and they are so pigmented. They have in matte and pearl one. This little demo how works everything, and get back to me if you want anything. So ladies, I've got all colors, all shades of foundation. I really love the formula only on the back of my hand, so I will love it on my face, but I don't have my shade, but we will work it out. This is 202 and this is like that, so it seems it's gonna work with a warmer tone on me, but let's see. Oh my goodness, oh, this is a full coverage. This is what happens when you wear earrings. It's like you're cooking, ding 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 ding. So this is full coverage guys. I'm not used to foundation with perfume or anything, but this got so much perfume. It smells like you went to a Madder shop right now, but it smells so good, like high-brand perfume, but it's not overpowering, like you can't stand it or anything. I've seen you wear it on your face, you can't smell anything. Blend extremely well with the brush, so I'm going to put a little bit more here. As well with the fingers to it, blend really well. So as you can see, well blended, and my forehead is really pink, so I'm just going to take that a little bit. Doesn't do any streak for a matte foundation. This on my face looked really great. It looks really flawless, and I didn't apply any primer, and look at this is so flawless. Like, it's like matte but with a velvety touch, like it's velvet, like you can't seem to see any dryness. Matte foundation are known to be like matte, you know, but this one leaves a really velvet touch. So I have two shades of concealer, 205, one is 204, and I do know it's gonna be a little bit dark on me. Let's see, the 204 is too dark, so I'm going to put that here for you to see. The 204 is like that, like it's on medium to deep tone. It's gonna be amazing shade to highlight. So we're going to go, I'm just going to touch that here because it won't work on me. It's giving me like an orangey, much more, it's too dark, it's deeper than the foundation itself because it's 204 and I've used 202 foundation. So I'm going to just use the 205 as contour. I'm just going to put that here. Oh, I think I do need to blend this really quickly. So I'm going to blend it really quickly. It is so nice, guys, so I'm going to put a little bit more. I'm just going to tap it, blend it well inside, and look how flawless it is. Now I'm going to go with a lighter concealer. I'm going to be using another concealer, not from Topface, because I don't have my shade. I put everything in the description box below, what I've used off camera and what I'm using off Topface, for you to know if you don't get of your shade. And I'm going to take a brush and then we're going to blend that out. I'm not going for the lightest shade that I used to do for my highlight, just a little bit or 1 times lighter than this. So I'm going to go with this color here and then blend it out. Oh, now it's coming together. This is the look, guys. Absolutely love this. It came together, and the concealer is one which is really great formula. I know I'll be using the concealer for contour as from now on, because concealer to contour always move when you do on your nose. It always move, like when you're applying anything on top, it fades or move. And this concealer, as you can see, it dries up. So when I put on my nose and applied another cream concealer on it, it didn't move, which is absolutely stunning to work with. Right now we're going to jump into powder. I have 9 shades, guys, for the 202 foundation. So the 201 powder is gonna be lighter shade. So Oh. That powder though, guys, might be a medium shade on me, but this powder is stunning. Like, I still feel just a little bit of tackiness on my face, but not that much. I'm just going to smooth it a little bit out and then apply another powder which is a little bit on my shade. So I've lost a little bit on the highlight zone, but doesn't matter. I wanted to know how the powder works, and it works so fantastic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go with another powder and then, you know, just go on the highlighted zone. I'm going to go with a darker powder just to emphasize the all places we put contour. It was a medium shade on my skin, so I'm going to go with a little bit warmer and darker and blend that in to bring the contour side, and the highlighted place will remain highlighted. So I'm going to go a little bit more. And here it is, guys. So I'm just going to warm this place a little bit, and we're going to jump into the blush. And the blush one, I have so many shades to share with you guys, but we're going for a nude one. I've choose a nude pink to show you guys. No, it is really pigmented, as you can see. Absolutely in love with the products. I can't stop looking at myself and my skin. My skin looks really great with the foundation and this base, as well as